Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove an Acura Integra headliner. First, ensure you have the right tools, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, plus 8mm and 10mm sockets. For safety, always disconnect your car's negative battery terminal before touching any electrical components. Begin by gently prying off the dome light lens, then remove the 2 screws holding the assembly. Next, carefully remove the rear view mirror by prying its plastic cover and unscrewing the 3 Phillips head screws. Moving on, you'll need to remove the sun visors. Each visor is held by 2 screws at its pivot and 1 screw for the retaining clip. Remove all 3. Next, address the grab handles by prying off their plastic caps and unscrewing the 2 8mm bolts found beneath each. Then, gently pull away the rubber weather stripping from all door openings and the rear hatch. Finally, remove the rear side panels and any small triangular trim pieces near the back windows. Now, it's time to detach the main headliner board. Look for any remaining clips or fasteners that secure it to the roof. These often require a gentle pry. Disconnect any electrical connectors for components like sunroof controls or extra lights. Begin carefully pulling the headliner down, starting from the rear of the vehicle and slowly moving towards the front. Remember to be extremely cautious throughout this step to prevent bending or creasing the headliner material. Once all fasteners and electrical connections are free, carefully maneuver the headliner out of your Integra. It usually comes out best through the rear hatch or the passenger side door opening, as the steering wheel can obstruct the driver's side. Having a second person assist, you can greatly help prevent accidental bending or damage. When you're ready to reinstall, simply follow these steps in reverse order, making sure every component is securely fastened for a professional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.